We are here at Brigade Orchards. This is Juniper in Brigade Orchards, Juniper Block B. 2020 March it started, and finally it completed now. And my family is also here. We came all the way from Abu Dhabi to Bengaluru. It's a new place for us, and it's a very new thing, and we loved the entire interior thing. And as you can see, the lightings and all the TV and the sofa and all kind of electronics had been brought from Abu Dhabi.
I really appreciate Vikas sir for his kitchen work.
We can see the kitchen, and in the starting of the kitchen we have the kitchen arc, and we also tell this kitchen piling. So we have done this customized design, and we have customized the kitchen piling with the crockery unit in this to utilize the space, and we can keep some accessories or some glass decor items in this this box. We have a parallel kitchen here. In this side we have fridge here, and this is called pantry pull-out. So this is a pantry pull-out. We can see this middle unit. These middle units are as normal storage units. As you can see, some items there. And top of the middle unit we have the loft for the storage, for the extra storage here. So complete this side we have the loft. This we have the baskets. This is the cutlery basket. This is normal plain basket, as you can see. And this we have thali basket. So these are 3 sets of basket here. And after the basket unit we have the bottle pull-out unit. So this is the bottle pull-out unit. As you can see the bottles in it. So this is the bottle pull-out unit.
He give lots of effort on the kitchen because their entrance was we were very worried about that for entrance, but he did very well there.
And this sliding wardrobe we have done in the glossy finish, and this you can see is the acrylic design on that. And so we can see the internal structure of this. This is the internal structure. Okay. And this we have loft. Loft is hydraulic loft. So we will go here outside. The daughter's room sliding wardrobe, and this you can see the internal structure of this wardrobe. And now we are going to see the hydraulic loft. So we can see that this is hydraulic loft. This is master bedroom, shutters wardrobe. This, as you can see, this is the wardrobe with the normal doors. And now we are going to see the master's bedroom mirror dresser. This is the mirror dresser with the mirror on the top of the door, and this is the internal compartments of the mirror dresser. And under the mirror dresser we have the drawers to keep the cosmetic items. In the master's bedroom bathroom closet area we have the sliding wardrobe.
This is the most important thing which I loved when I came to Bengaluru, and from Bengaluru when I came to purchase, means I was looking after so many properties. When I came here And brigade sales people brought me here, and I was standing in the balcony and I was having a look that I can see flights taking off, landing. That attracted me a lot, and that made me even select the flat.
And we this 3 BHK we have completed in like 45 days. And I would like to introduce Mr. Ramesh and Mr. Dinesh. Mr. Ramesh and Mr. Dinesh. Without them, my work would have been not been completed so fast. And also, like they are very hardworking, and I would love to thank you both of them. And if you like my work here, you can contact on my number, and also you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.